In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video on Systeme.io for ads. We're going to walk through the full process of adding a video ad to a funnel page inside Systeme.io, using a direct video link. This is useful when you want your ad video displayed directly on a page without embedding it from another platform. To begin, log into your Systeme.io account and go to the dashboard. This is your main control area where you can access all the tools connected to your pages, funnels, and site content. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Sites. This section contains the website and funnel-related assets you'll need to work with. From there, click on Sales Funnels to open the list of funnels in your account. Now, choose the funnel where you want to place your video ad. Click on your funnel to open it, then find the page you want to edit and click Edit Page. This will launch the page editor where you can add and customize content blocks. Inside the editor, click on Elements. This menu gives you access to the different building blocks you can place on the page, such as text, images, buttons, and of course video sections. Next, click on Video, then drag and drop the video element wherever you want it to appear on the page. Try to place it in a spot that makes sense for the visitor experience, such as near the top of the page or close to the main call to action. After placing it, click on the video block itself. This opens the settings for that specific video element. In the settings, you'll need to select a video type. Choose Direct Link. This option is important because it allows you to use the exact URL of your video file rather than pulling it from a video sharing platform. Once Direct Link is selected, paste the URL of your video ad into the appropriate field. Make sure the link is correct and points directly to the video, otherwise the video may not load properly on the page. It's always a good idea to double-check the link before saving. Finally, click Save. This applies your changes and updates the page with the video you just added, and that's it. Your video ad is now uploaded to your Systeme.io page using a direct link. If you want, you can preview the page afterward to confirm that the video displays and plays correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.